Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 120, another milestone issue of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. In this issue, we're fitting some more reactor tubes. And the tubes on this are the same, or very similar, but one each side and one the other side. The numbering system is a bit strange, but as long as you get them in the right places, and it will look fine. So that's what we're going to end up with afterwards. But beforwards, we're going to continue to look at what Christopher Lloyd did next. And then we'll look at Teaching Dad. I don't know what that is all about, but I'm sure you can read it. Next time, we are starting on the vent covers, the exhaust cowl, or at least one of them. Then I'm pretty sure the next one's going to be the other one. And then we've got to put bits into it. And we're on our way. There's only like another few issues of finishing the car. And then we've got some incidental bits, and then we get to start on the upgrades and the conversion to the Back to the Future 3 version. So yeah, very soon the car will be finished. Not quite this soon, because this soon we've got to do this bit. So let's do that. Okay, so here we have this part. This is what we've obviously been doing up till now. Now I've pre-sorted these with the help of Katie, because I can't see very well. But she's helped me out get the right numbers. So we've got like A, B, C, D, and E in various places. As the picture up there will tell you which one's which. So basically, we'll see how it goes, and I'll see how I can put it in. This one is going to go on that one. Oh, is there a way round? Matter which way round. I'm going to put it that way round, so the number is on the bottom. We've got 3 positions on here, which you can probably see better than I can. There's one at the front, at the bottom, where that one is going to go. Not like that, though. Maybe it needs to be the other way around. I shall try that and see if that's going to fit in there better. You know, it feels much the same. So I'm going to try that again. I think I probably just didn't get it lined up properly. Yeah, that's gone in there much nicer that way around. These are obviously going in the back of the cowling. So this one will go above it. Oh, sorry, next to it, behind it, even. That's the word I was looking for. Like so. And this one will go above. Hopefully, all things being equal, they should line up to be about the same positioning as each other. And they sort of are. So let's get these ones on this side. Again, I'm going to put the labeling for them on the underside out of the way. Hopefully, get these plugged in just as easily as the first ones did. If not, even easier. Let's try that way around. In there. That, I need to push that home a little bit further, but we're sort of there. You know what I'm doing. And then that one on the top like that. So yeah, that one definitely needs some attention. I shall come back and sort that one out. Try it again. Know where it's got to go. I think it's just getting the angling lined up. So yeah, that's about there. A little bit of tweaking on all of those, but that is how we are ending up now. Yeah, you can see where the cowling is going to go over the top of that. That's what these final few screw holes are for. So that is that. Another issue complete. Another part of the reactor getting built up. We've still got to put stuff on there, but that's the one that you can have the alternate versions of. So yeah, that's it for another issue. I shall see you very soon for the next one. This is the end of a week as far as I've calculated things. So this should be out on a Friday. I'm going to take the weekend off from these and return on Monday with part 121. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.